You guys, so I have some great news. Amber section, my baby right here, is actually launching on Slow Recipe, which I am so excited about, you guys. And I am actually curating a beauty box, like a full-on routine that would amplify and boost the effect of Amber section, and that creates the best synergy effect with this routine. And I first really wanted to add a mist because it is getting hot in Korea. It is mist season, and I absolutely love this one. This is one from Laundryou, and this one is very well known as like the 고현정 mist. And she's a very famous actress in Korea, and she's, I believe, like 56, but she does not look a day over like 40. I swear, she looks so good, and she's very well known to be super picky with her skin. Like, she showed everyone how she does her deep cleansing. She never turns on the heater in her car because that just ruins her skin. And she emphasizes about like how sanitary everything should be, like on your vanity. And she actually has her own skincare brand, but she raved about this one in like an interview. So yeah, this became really popular as like the 고현정 mist, and this is the OG jelly mist. Like, there's so many jelly mists now from Medicube, Dr. Althea, and like, so many different brands that it's like the jelly 2 mist, but this is like the OG. It's been out for a long time. It mists out really nicely. I just love the way it feels, and I think you're gonna love it. And some mists, after a certain time, for that very moment, it feels really cooling, hydrated, but it feels more drying after some certain time. But this one, it doesn't do that, so I really like it. And yeah, it works good under makeup. It looks good on top of makeup, so I wanted to add this in. I actually use this the moment I come out of the shower. I'm still in the bathroom, but I'm like coming out in the bathroom, and I spray on damp skin, and then I would come out of the bathroom. This Ampoule, I love this. These days, I have been obsessed with fermented ingredients. Like, some people don't like fermented ingredients, but it suits my skin so well. I feel like it really is one of the few products that makes a difference. Like, my skin texture has improved, my tone is really great, and you can see difference, and I love that. And it's such an all-arounder, as in that it helps with like skin texture, skin brightening, but it also hydrates, and it's not even too light either. It's like very refreshing, but it has like a little bit of silky texture to it too, so it just works beautifully for the summer and hot weather, but it's not too light, so it just, yeah, I wanted to add this one in. And I don't think I've ever talked about this before, but I've been obsessed with this Ampoule, and this brand has a lot of good products. Like, I love all of their Ampoules. I thought it would be the perfect time to choose like a soothing Ampoule that can do it all, because it's the summer, you don't want something that just hydrates. Like, you need something that helps to also have a little bit of that nourishing content too, and you need something that will not break you out because the weather is so hot and humid. And at the same time, you want something that will work really well under makeup, that will improve skin texture as well because of just the weather. Like, you need something that will just make sense. So I think you'll like this one. And this one is loved by so many people. It's like the 107 Everyday Plump Hydro Cream. This is something that I've been using this for years, and I always bring it back when my skin starts like freaking out. Like, recently I've talked to so many makeup artists and so many people that when their skin flips, they actually use this. Like, my friend Chaga, recently she was like getting her makeup done, and they used, like, when you get your makeup done at a new like makeup like salon and stuff like that, they always use new kind of skincare products, so her skin just flipped. And usually her skin's not that sensitive. Like, my skin's really sensitive, so most of the time I would actually take my own skincare products sometimes, like if I don't want them to use something that I haven't tried before. But this has never happened to her, and her skin just flipped, and she had these like kind of bumpy redness like everywhere, and then they used this hydro cream on her, and it just calmed down immediately. And I've heard so many good stories. I already know because I add it back into when my skin flips out, but my skin just looks plumped, bouncy, calmed, and well hydrated, and it's the perfect texture to use now for like hot, humid weather. I think for the winter time in Korea, like, I need something a little bit, I would have to add something a little bit thicker, but this is just perfect. And then I wanted to add, of course, Amber section. As you guys know, this is my baby right here, and I feel like it's the perfect time to really use it these days because it is getting so hot in Korea. Is it getting hot where you are? I hope. Thanks, babe. So as I was saying, it's getting so hot in Korea, and I feel like it's the perfect time for modeling mask. It is the time. Like, I feel like in the winter time, I have to admit, like, I didn't reach for it as much unless like I wanted some calming or cooling effect for my skin. But now that's getting so hot, my redness is just getting worse. I think I reach for it so much more. And I know that a lot of you guys already know how to use it, but if I can just show you, I'll insert a how-to right here or right here, wherever that suits. You just add water, 35 milliliters. It comes with a beaker, and then you shake it up, and then you squeeze out, and then you can use any type of, you can use your fingers, you could type whatever suits your boat, but there is a spatula inside that you can actually spread it out, and it just creates the most cooling, jelly-like 시원한, refreshing type of jelly texture that you're gonna absolutely love. It's an occlusive layer, so it locks in everything that you have applied on beforehand. And usually powder type of modeling mask, like when you take it off, there's like little bits, tiny things left that you do have to like remove with the toner pad, and it's a huge hassle. It's like you gotta work it, girl. But the best part about this is that it does have high percentages of oil content, which will really help to not just like cool and hydrate your skin. It doesn't end there, but it really helps to nourish your skin. But afterwards, it like literally peels off in one go without any like mess. So hopefully you will love that. This is the best pampering routine. There's a reason why at every derm, at every plastic surgery place, or skincare clinic, not just in Korea but globally, they always end with the modeling mask. So I just made it a little bit more easy to use at home, so you could treat yourself, because everybody deserves some love for yourself. So I just made it for me time, you know what I'm saying? So you can use it to treat yourself. And then, like in no particular order, I also wanted to add a scalp product, because like once you have the mask on, I feel like the time of the 15 plus 30 minutes that you wait, like you can watch TV or whatever, but I thought it would be perfect because I love, as you guys know, really taking care of your scalp. I feel like that's so important. And this is actually something that I found that I absolutely love. I've been using it for a very long time now. And as you can see, I feel like it really has been helping with like my baby hair coming out. Because a long time ago, I think in my beginning of my 20s, I actually did the treatment where I lasered off my hair because my forehead was so small and I had so many baby hair. But now it's like the opposite. I do feel the little, the bald spots. It's not that severe, but I could tell, because I never had this. It was like full. So I've been using it on that area, and look at my baby hair. Give me a little close-up of that. It's just been working so well, and I absolutely love it. I love the way it smells. I love the way it feels, and all you have to do is kind of look. It's so easy. You just like squeeze like this, and then you soak in and you massage. And I do this after I towel dry just a little bit, and then I do it right away, and then I would blow dry my hair. So yeah, while you wait, I think with the modeling mask on your face, you can do it. You can do it whenever that suits you, but highly recommended for more of right after shower. It just feels so good, and there's a bit of cooling effect to it too. If you have concerns of hair loss, it's really great for preventing as well and improving hair loss. And yeah, so I love this one, so I had to add this one. But yeah, I am trying to curate like the perfect routine, and I hope that I can come with a really good price point too, so that we can be like celebrating the launch of Amber section on Slow Recipe, because this is actually like the very first or second e-commerce that we're launching on. We have launched on Amazon, we have launched on Hemeko Global, but that's it. In Korea, we have launched on Hemeko Korea, online, offline. You can actually go to their Hongdae store, Dongdaemun store, Myeongdong store as well, and then you can get it offline. But I'm so excited because I don't think we have another global site, and this is like our first global site after Hemeko, so I'm so excited. Okay, so stay tuned in for the curated routine. I will link everything in the description if we do have the routine ready or the box ready for you by then.